How to test sacred cows. Few businesses have been more successful than IKEA. The world's 8th largest retailer employs 211,000 people in 445 stores in 52 countries. In 2022, IKEA reported a gross profit of 14 billion euros. IKEA has revolutionised retailing, persuading shoppers to travel to its out-of-town stores, navigate the maze-like layout of its stores, transport its furniture home, and assemble that furniture themselves, all features that traditional retailers would never have embraced. These unique features of the IKEA experience have delivered great success, even leading to the documentation of the IKEA effect. Given its success over 80 years, it would be understandable for IKEA to resist any change to its unique formula. Many executives would have considered the IKEA idiosyncrasies sacred cows. Sure, they were initially counterintuitive, but they worked and consistently delivered results. But another feature of IKEA is its preparedness to change and adapt to changing customer needs. Recognizing the primacy of the customer, IKEA recently collaborated with its customers in a co-creation process to review its offering and how it's delivered to customers. Several sacred cows are on the block. This collaboration gave rise to some profound changes at IKEA, including investing heavily in its online offering, developing small stores, often located in central business districts, offering home deliveries, and paying contractors to assemble products. Mistakes were made. Initially, IKEA abandoned its unique store layout for a more free-flowing design, but customers complained, and in response, the labyrinth was reinstated, but with shortcuts signposted. Logistics in the city centre were also an issue. The move to small stores had to be replaced with a strategy involving a mix of larger and small stores. IKEA worked through these issues using trial and error. The changes seem to have worked, with gross profit increasing by 9%, online sales up by 6% to 25%, and a smaller store in central Stockholm increasing annual footfall in the capital from 6 million to 9 million. The first message here is that even sacred cows that have delivered success should be tested. The second message is that the best way of testing sacred cows is to recognise the primacy of the customer, collaborating with that customer to co-create the offering that they will respond best to. Maximise performance by empowering your customers to help test sacred cows. For more on customer focus, collaboration and co-creation, visit www.djohncarlsonesq.com. That's www.djohncarlsonesq.com, or email me, johnc@linkintegrated.com. That's johnc@linkintegrated.com. I'm John Carlson. Thanks for listening.